2020 marked the beginning of a brand new decade. But unfortunately, the outbreak of coronavirus or COVID 19 calamity that has caused significant human suffering and major global economic disruption. In this video, we will see that where did COVID 19 come from? Secondly, how is it transmitted? And third, what are the symptoms of this virus? And at the last, how do we prevent transmission of the virus? In December 2019, in Wuhan, China, there were many pneumonia cases reported. Investigation found that it was caused by a previously unknown virus, now named 2019 novel coronavirus. Coronavirus has a core of genetic material surrounded by envelope protein, spike protein, and membrane protein. Because of the spikes, the virus looks under the microscope like a crown. So, corona means crown, and that's why the virus gets the name corona. The seafood market in Wuhan, China, there are a group of people with pneumonia, and most initial patients worked or visited this market. So, this is how it begins to spread. Through genetic analysis, it was shown similar to bat coronavirus transmitted to human. Bats are likely the original source, but complete mechanism of transmission is unknown till yet. This virus is usually transmitted to droplets created when infected person cough or sneeze or through something that is contaminated with virus. This virus separated from person to person in China. And now, COVID-19 is the global disease. It spreads very fastly through all over the world. Fever, tiredness, and dry cough are the most common symptoms of COVID-19. Some infected people may also experience aches and pains. Nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. Symptoms of COVID-19 are usually mild and begin gradually. Also surprisingly, some infected people don't even develop symptoms of this virus. And now prevention. First, avoid contact with others. Although it may sound harsh, but try to avoid any close contact with people who are sick, especially those suffering from fever, cough, cold, or acute respiratory infection. And if you are the one of the suffering from any of the mentioned sickness, make sure to visit your doctor and share the information about your recent travel if any. And do stay at home until you are completely cured. Secondly, please make sure to wear a face mask and prevent the spread of this disease. Third, while coughing and sneezing, cover your mouth and nose with a flexed elbow. It is always advisable to use tissue, but make sure to discard the used tissue into closed dustbin so that any virus has no room to escape into the open environment. The next very important thing you must do is wash your hand often with warm water for at least 30 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating, and after blowing your nose, coughing and sneezing. And avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth after that. Hope you all are fine, happy and safe. Stay safe and follow the instructions. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all. See you in our next video. Like, subscribe and share the channel and write your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much.